Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're drawing Mr. Wolf from the Bad Guys. So let's get started. To draw this cool wolf, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a soft line. About right there. And then I'm going to come underneath it and we're going to draw a curve to open it up. So about right here. Just going to draw a curve and go right back up. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. So right next to it, say about this much. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. There. So now that we have that, let's come inside towards this edge more, and we're just going to draw this kind of ovalish circle right here. I'm going to give it a little highlight and shade everything in. So same thing on this side. There. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the brow. So I'm going to come right above the eye, about, let's say about right here. And we're just going to draw a slight angle up and over and then thicken it up. You can zigzag it if you want, but we just want it nice and thick. And then same thing here. Right over the eye. And thicken it up. There. You know what? I think they're probably black, so I'm going to go ahead and just shade it in so you can see a little bit better. If they're not, I'll change them when I color it. Oh, but it's so thick now because I colored it in. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the big wolf nose. So right underneath the eyes, about right here, I'm just going to draw this curve, round it off on the sides, and then bring it in towards the center and connect. Then I'm going to put in a light curve right about here, and I'm just going to put in a highlight. So draw oval here and just shade this in as well. There. And then we need to give him a really big smile. So right the same height as the nose, or about right here close to the eyes. I'm just going to give myself a point, and same thing here on the other side. And from there I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve right underneath the nose. About right there. And connect it. And then just cap it off on both sides right here. And then underneath this curve, I'm just going to lightly in the center draw a curve right about there. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and put his head all together. So I'm going to say maybe like where the brows are, I'm going to come right here and give myself a point right next to it. Right next to it. And then we're going to, let's go up over here and we'll draw the top of his head. So I'm just going to kind of curve it up. And about right here towards the center, I'm just going to draw maybe 2 tufts of fur and then bring it down. Same thing on the other side. There. And then let's bring this out. We're going to flare this out to about right there. So kind of where this mouth is. And then we're going to come in. One more. Then bring it in. Then zigzag a little bit. So same thing over here. Kind of where the mouth is. Bring it in. Then one more going out. and then zigzag a little bit. And then we're just going to bring it all together and towards the center. So I'm going to find my center. Let's say about right here. I'm going to bring it down nice and low because I need to bring this in. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now I have that. Let's, I forgot, we need to draw the ears, right? So in this area right here, let's go ahead and about right here, we're going to draw these big wolf ears. So go up nice and high, round off the tip, and bring it down. And then for the inside, we're going to come right about here. So it's much thicker on this side. And as we come down here, I'm just going to zigzag a little bit and then connect it. So much thinner on that side. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And once again, so we're just about the same height. And then we're going to want about the same area, so about here. And in. And once again, we're going to do the same thing. Zigzag and connect. There. Okay, so we have all that done. Now we can finally draw the body. So we need to put Mr. Wolf here in a suit. So I'm going to come right here. So this is going to be the center for everything. I'm going to come, let's see here, be about right here. We're just going to draw a curve coming down on both sides for his jacket. And then I'm going to come in here before I forget and draw two curves for his collar. So then let's bring this jacket down. And then have his shoulders about right here. So same thing with that shoulder. And then we're going to come in here and bring a curve, angle in, and this is going to follow the inside. So then let's see, let's keep going. About right there, it's kind of like where his waist is. So I'm going to come about right here where I want to cut it off, and I'm going to come into the center area and draw a line across. But I'm only drawing it halfway because in this area I want to curve down for his shirt. So I need to bring this down a little bit more, and I'm going to bring and curve this in because his shirt is just tucked on one side, and then we're just going to draw the center line right there. And I think there's some buttons here, if I'm not mistaken. And then we need to draw a belt. And you can put in a buckle if you like. And so then our jacket's going to end about right here and here. And let's just finish it off. There. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's go ahead, come back to the center, which is about here, and I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. So this is where his legs are going to start, and I'm going to come here and here and draw these two angles. Then we're going to come in on both sides, right about here, so to start his legs. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring this down. This line is pretty much straight, and then this is angled, and we just want to be a little bit thinner as we come down to about right there, then cut it off. So same thing on the other side. now that we have that, we need to draw a little bit of his ankle and then his shoe. So I'm just going to cut it off. And connect. There. And same thing here. A little bit of his ankle. Cut it off. And maybe on this side we'll change it up a little bit. Give it a little bit more of an angle for his shoe. There. Just to change it up. And then if you like, let's put in some details. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back here and draw a line, some detail, and then of course here on this jacket, to make it look like a jacket, we need to come here and draw 2 angles and then just taper it in. Same thing here. In, out, and bring it in, and then his arms. So let's just have them about right in this area, and so I'm going to bend them. So let's say about right here. And connect right about here. Little detail, and then just make it sharp so that we know it's a wolf with the nail right there. So same thing on this side. So I just want to drag this across about right here, and I'm going to drag this across. So just make sure I'm approximately the same as I angle this. Now once again, just go ahead and thicken it up. There. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I think oh, we're missing his tail, of course, right? So let's bring it about right here. Just going to draw a curve, and then just imagine this is going through, and then about right here. And just give it a little curve just for some details. And that is pretty much it. Just gonna come up here, thicken up the eye, the line on the eye. And that is pretty much it. I'm gonna put a let's add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Mr. Wolf from the Bad Guys. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any of your Draw So Cute videos. See you later.